Hello guys, welcome back to Kristalani Vlogs. Today I have a daily devotional that I will be reading for you guys. It's called God Speaks Through Suffering. Elihu assured Job that God sometimes spoke to people through suffering and pain, but that he is always willing to help. God would save Job so that his life would be filled with light again. When you suffer, listen carefully to what God wants to tell you through your suffering. For God speaks again and again to people, though people do not recognize it. He speaks in dreams, in visions of the night, when deep sleep falls on people as they lie in their beds. He whispers in their ears and terrifies them with warnings. He makes them turn from doing wrong. He keeps them from pride. He protects them from the grave, from crossing over the river of death. Or God disciplines people with pain on their sick beds, with ceaseless aching in their bones. When we praise to God, He will be accepted, and God will receive him with joy and restore him to good standing. He will declare to his friends, I sinned and twisted the truth, but it was not worth it. God rescued me from the grave, and now my life is filled with light. Amen. So I think every single one that is watching this can relate to this story, because I know that everybody in their life at one time or another suffered, But I really hope this message helped you all today. It did help me by reading it. This is what I needed to, I needed to hear this today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you guys take care. God bless. Have a happy and safe Memorial Day, and don't eat too much of that barbecue, guys. You guys take care.